Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which helps us in finding the node with minimum value in a binary search tree. First, let us take an example. For the below tree, we start with 20. Then we move left to 8. We keep on moving to left until we see null. Since left of 4 is null, 4 is the node with minimum value. Traverse the node from root to left recursively until left is null. The node whose left is null is the node with minimum value. Now let us see the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node, which is 20, to min value function. So node will point to 20. We take a new node current and assign it to node. So current will also point to 20. Next, we loop down to find the leftmost leaf. So we check if current's left is not null. As it is true, we set current to current's left. Hence, current will point to 8. We continue with the while loop as 8's left is not null. So, current will now point to 4. Now, as 4's left is null, hence we break out of the while loop and return current's data. So, we return 4, which is the node with minimum value in this binary search tree. With this, we finish execution for this program. Now, let us have a look at the time complexity of the program. This code will run in big O of n complexity. Here, n are the total number of keys in the binary search tree. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.